Welcome, my friend. Please stop for a moment. Sit down, close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath. Now ask yourself one simple question. Am I really living, or am I just existing? Many people have dreams. They want a good life. They want peace. They want love. They want money. They want confidence. They want to speak better English. They want freedom. They want happiness. But let me ask you something. What are you doing today for your dream? Are you learning, or are you just scrolling on your phone? Are you moving forward, or are you waiting for someday? My friend, listen carefully. Your life is real. Your time is real. And your time is limited. You do not get a second life. You do not get a second chance. This moment is your life. I am not here to scare you. I am here to help you wake up. Many people say, I will start later. I will do it tomorrow. I am too tired. I am afraid. But tomorrow is not promised. Later is a lie we tell ourselves. Time is very precious. Time is your life. When you waste time, you are not wasting minutes. You are wasting pieces of your life. Every day, life moves forward. Your parents get older. You get older. Your dreams wait quietly. But dreams do not wait forever. So what can you do? Start small. Very small. Use 1 hour better today. Learn one new word. Listen to one English story. Read one short page. Speak one sentence out loud. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Do not blame your past. Do not blame your family. Do not blame your situation. Your life is your responsibility. You are stronger than you think. Growth is uncomfortable, but comfort keeps you stuck. If you want to speak English, you must speak, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. Mistakes mean progress. Do not compare your life to others. Everyone has a different path. Focus on becoming better than yesterday. And remember this: no one will choose your life for you. You must choose yourself. Choose to grow. Choose to learn. Choose to move forward. If your life feels heavy right now, this is not the end. This is the beginning. Pain can make you stronger. Hard days can teach you wisdom. Dark nights can lead to bright mornings. You are not weak. You are not late. You are not finished. You are just starting. So take another deep breath, lift your head, and take one small step today, because your future is waiting. Life changes when you respect time, believe in yourself, and take small action every day. If you like calm English stories for listening and learning, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and listen again tomorrow. We learn English slowly together.